so a storm just blew in over here, and it's like super windy. Like you can see the trees are swaying. It's like super windy. I don't know why it's so windy, but it's like there's dust flying. And all of a sudden, just the wind just started picking up. Oh, there's like dust flying everywhere. Oh my god, that wind's picking up a lot. This is at Yogi Bear's Jellystone Park. Jellystone Water Park. Okay. Alright, so here's the jumping pillow. Yeah, that wind is picking up. I don't know. It's probably going to start raining soon. Oh, it's like super windy over there. Hold on. Let me get off because it's like super windy over there. Okay, well, I just want to get a video of the storm. I think it's starting to cool down now. The wind's starting to cool down now, so yeah. So, just thought we'd share.